Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here back with the No November Junk Journal Challenge Day 6 that Mrs. Gigi and me are doing. And Day 6 we are using card toppers, which are these, to make tuck spots. So I'm going to move this out of the way, and we're going to pull in the pages here. And let me see. Here. I'm going to put these back in here for now. Now, whoop! Craft the lance. Man, this film is going to get done sooner or later. So, I have my glue, my scissors, my X-Acto, and also, well, not those, my little ruler here. And that's all I'm going to need for this project here. Okay, so let's get started. First, I want to cover one of these, and it's going to be a tuck spot where I'm going to just glue this down and glue the top and the bottom to make a tuck spot. So, we're going to get out some bucca paper to cover our little tucky spot here, or I'm gonna make it pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do wallpaper, make it a pretty tucky spot. Okay, so we're gonna get our glue down on here. We'll do one side first. Like so. There. Then what I'm going to do is fold it over, like so, and then do the other side. Okay. Like that. So this one I'm going to put my little pins, clips here, and let that dry for a minute. I'm also going to try and trim some of this down so it's not so long. So I'm going to let that dry on the side. Put that to the side, and then we're going to grab our book paper and do the same thing. Put one side first. And fold it over. Fold over your paper to burnish it to the card topper or package topper here. And then we're going to smooth that out. Clip that in a few spots. Trim it out. And see, I can see through the paper a little, so I know where to trim if I hold it up to the light. There, got that. So, that's the two tuck spots for that. So I'm going to put all this so I don't have a big old mess on my desk. I'm going to put that back in here. And guys, I'm using up a lot of scraps here, so, you know. Let's see, what do we want to cover one more with? also have, maybe that'll work, maybe not. Nope, that's too small. We can use this. Okay, so again, we're gonna fold this one here. I think I'm gonna cut it in half after I have everything glued and make 2 tuck spots out of it. So that'll make 4 tuck spots for this, okay? So again, we're gonna go one side. Guys, this thing is a Tombow, and the tip has never clogged on me yet. Okay, I want to go above this line here. Whoops, a daisy. There we go. And again, I'm going to fold over the paper to burnish it to the way I want it to go. And just do that. Now we're going to do this side. Uh-oh. Come out, mister. And we're going to do that. Okay. So now we have 3, maybe 4 or 5. This one's a big one too. But I want to, this one too, I can hold it up to the light and trim down. So it's not so big. Well, you know what I mean. So now we have those. I'll put my cap back on there. We're going to do this and there. Now, this is done, so I'm going to take this out of my way. And I'm going to work on this one here. And I'm going to trim it down. Like so. Actually, this one I think I can make 2 tuck spots out of it. But I want it to be 1, so maybe not. 1, cut it in the middle. Or not cut it in the middle. I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna make it 2 tuck spots. Okay. So now we're gonna go back over here, trim the excess. And the same thing on this one. So we have our tuck spots here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's take the pins off of that. And we need some trimming here. We're going to check the other ones too, so make sure everything's on the good side here. Okay, so we got that all done. On 1, I'm just going to leave that there. These 2 are done. And this one seems to glue itself together. This one has a little bit trimming that needs to be done. So now that we have that done, we have our 4 tuck spots. Now this one, I think I'm gonna do just the bottom here and pin it until it gets stuck. Until the glue is dried, I'll pin it. Okay, that's one. This one, I'm gonna do the same thing. Gonna glue here and the side here, and we're gonna pin it shut. 1, 2. Okay. This one I can these two I can just put on the pages, but I want to put them on. These are going to be pockets, so I'm going to put one tuck spot down here. And what I'm going to do is glue this side and this side, and we have our tuck spot. So we go here, down to here, and we got tuck spot number 1. Okay. Now I'm going to flip through my book, and I want a tuck spot on this one. Okay. There. We got a tuck spot here. Now, as I said, this is going to be a pocket, so I'm going to seal this in over here. Okay. This is one of my page pockets. Pin that there. So we're going to take this page out because I have to glue this side and pin it all. Okay, so we're going to pin this on here while the page dries. And we're going to pin up here while the tuck spot dries. And we're going to go down here and we're going to glue this part shut. Okay, and we're also going to put a clip here to keep it that way. Okay, so we got that page done. So we're going to keep that right over here so nothing goes out of place. And then we're going to look for 2 more pages to put our tuck spots. Okay, so here's another page that needs to be glued for pockets, so we're going to get that done. Glue side 1, pin it, move my pins over here so my big arm is not in the camera. Now we're going to glue side 2 here and pin it. Okay, so we got that. So this is going to stay in its spot here. Okay, so now I'm going to put these all together. Yeah, it's kind of like a, that's because of the clips. Okay, now we're going to take this one here, remove the clips, and we are going to make it a double tuck. Okay, so we're going to tuck it on here, and we're going to pin it. We're going to clip it until it's dry. So, okay, now we need this one for another double tuck. So we're going to find a place to put that one. And I am going to go right here. Same thing, this side and that side. Oh, wait a minute. and the back side up here. Quiet. Wrong spot. And then we're going to clip this one too. So a lot of clips used tonight. There. And 1, 2 down here. There. So we're going to put this back in here. And we have all of our tuck spots in their spot. Okay. So that is it for now. For this prompt. Okay. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.